Hello guys, namaste and welcome. I hope you are great and you are preparing for your exam in a very well manner. I welcome you myself Vipin Sharma on behalf of Oliveboard Parivar. So once again welcome to Oliveboard Parivar and today we are going to discuss about the next 20 questions of this winner series, right? So okay, before going I would like to tell you we have already started crash course for tier 2. If you still looking for a batch in which you can quickly revise your content, you can practice for good level questions, right? So you can check it out this batch. In this batch you will get lots of things, right? Already explained each and everything, and this will be in English medium, right? So you can also check out the super elite subscription. There is a 48% off on this festival, and this sale is going to be end at 21st of October, and means today is the last day, right? So for using this you have to use the code FEST, right? Use the code FEST and you can get each and everything. Okay, moving to next. Here is the first question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes please, everyone please request it, share the video, share the session so that it can reach to the maximum student, right? Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes please. See, the question is saying a thief steals a car at 1:30 p.m. and drive it off at 40 km per hour. The theft is discovered at 2 p.m, right? If the theft is discovered at 2 p.m. and the theft took place at 1:30, it means the thief got half an hour time to run, right? So how far thief has run in half an hour? The speed of the thief is, see, the speed of the thief is 40 km per hour. So in half an hour he will cover a distance of 20 km, right? So now what is the chasing distance? So owner has to chase for 20 kilometers, right, with the speed of 50 km per hour, right? So he will catch the thief. So we have to calculate the time in which time the owner will catch the thief. So time can be calculated by the formula distance divided by relative speed, right? So how much distance is to be chased? 20 km. Then what is the relative speed? Relative speed of owner minus speed of thief, right? So we can say that 50 minus 40, right? So the answer here is 20 divided by 10. So it will take 2 hours, right? And after what? 2 p.m, right? So 2 p.m, after 2 p.m. there is a 2 hours to catch the thief. So the catch will be caught, sorry, we can say the thief will be caught at 4 p.m, right? So the thief will be caught at 4 p.m. So B part is the right answer. B part is the right answer, right? So in what time the thief will be caught, or in what time the thief would be caught, can be calculated or can be yes, just by using the formula of time distance divided by relative speed. I think this is clear to you all guys. Now the next question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer for this question. This question is saying a thief is stopped by a policeman. Here should be spotted, right? Not stopped. By a policeman from a distance of 150 meters. When the policeman start the chase, the thief also start running. Assuming the speed of the thief is 7 km per hour and that of the policeman is 9 km per hour. How far the thief would have run, right? Now the question is saying how far would have run, right? So the distance covered by the thief is being asked. So we can say that distance is always is equal to speed into time, right? So we can calculate the time, how much time the thief got for run. So time is equal to changing distance divided by relative speed, right? So here the changing distance is what, 50 meter, right? This is in meter, and we can say that the relative speed is 9 minus 7 and this is in kilometer per hour. So we have to convert it into meter per second by multiplying 5 by 18, right? So we can say that 150 into 18 divided by 2 into 10, right? Sorry, 2 into 5. So this would become 10, right? So 0 would be cancelled. So 15 into 18. So we can say that 18 5s are 99. So this would be 270 seconds, right? So thief got 270 seconds to run, right? So how much distance he can cover? What is the speed of the thief? 7, right? So we can convert it into 5 by 18 meter per second. So this is the speed in meter per second. What is the time? 270, right? So 270 seconds were, or we can say thief can run for 270 seconds, because after 270 seconds the policeman will catch the thief, right? So thief got 270 seconds to run. So how much distance he can run in that time? So by 9 this would be cut 2 times, and by 9 this is 3 times. So we can say that by 2 this is 15. So we can say that 35 into 15. So how much distance? 15 into 5, 75, carry 7, 15 into 3, 45 plus 7. So this is, so we can say that 525 meter the thief, right, would have run before he was overtaken by the policeman. So we can say that 525 meter is the right answer. 525 meter is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. D part is the right answer. Okay, so moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the question is saying a thief is spotted by a policeman from a distance of 100 meter. When the policeman start the chase, the thief also start running. If the speed of the thief be 8 km per hour and that of the policeman is 10 km per hour, how far the thief will have run before he is overtaken, right? How far the thief will have run? The same question, same type of question, just data is different. So directly we can say that the time for catching the thief is equal to distance divided by relative speed, 10 minus 8, right? So relative speed is in kilometer per hour, because the distance is in meter, so we have to convert it into meter per second, right? So we will convert it just by multiplying 5 by 18. So here we can say that 100 into 18 divided by 2 into 5, right? So this is equal to how much? 180 second, right? So 180 second, time is equal to 180 second, time is equal to 180 second. So how much is the distance covered by the thief before he was caught, right? So distance, so speed into time, right? So what is the speed? Speed is 8 km per hour into 5 upon 18, so it will be meter per second, right? Into 180 by 18, this would be cut 10 times. So this is equal to how much? 8 into 5, 40, 400 meter, right? It means 400 meter thief will have run, right? So thief run 400 meter before he is overtaken. Yes, good evening, good evening. Yes, 400 is the right answer. 400 is the right answer. Yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. The question is saying A thief is noticed by a policeman from a distance of 200 meters. The thief starts running and the policeman chases him. The thief and the policeman run at the rate of 10 km per hour and 11 km per hour respectively. The distance between them after 6 minutes. What will be the distance between them after 6 minutes? See, we know that the distance between policeman and thief is 200 meter. Now we have to calculate how much distance will be chased by the police in 6 minutes, right? So we can say that in 1 minute the policeman can chase how much? 11 minus 10, right? So in 1 hour he can chase 1 kilometer, right? In 1 hour policeman can chase 1 kilometer, or we can say in 60 minutes the policeman can chase 1000 meter, right? In 60 minutes policeman can chase 1000 meter. So we can say that in 6 minutes how much he will chase? So 1000 divided by 60 into 6, right? So we can say that 0 get cancelled by 0. So only 100 meter would be chased, right? So how much gap is left? So 100 meter gap is left between policeman and thief, right? So answer is C part. 100 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes, 100 is the right answer, right? So after 6 minutes 100 meter gap will be left between thief and policeman. Is this clear? Okay, moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Just read the question carefully and answer the question. See, the question is saying the diameter of two cylinders whose volumes are equal, right? The volume for two cylinder is equal, are in the ratio 3:2, right? If we are given the ratio of the diameter, so we must know that the ratio of diameter is always equal to ratio of radius, right? Both ratio are equal, right? And their heights will be in the ratio. So we can say that there are two cylinders, the volume of cylinder 1 upon volume of cylinder 2. So we can say that pi r1 square h divided by pi r2 square h, right? We know the ratio of radius. Ratio of radius is 3:2 because ratio of diameter is equal to ratio of radius, right? Yes. So we have to calculate for, we know that the volume is equal, right? If the volume is equal, it means that this is 1 upon 1. So we can say that 1 upon 1 is equal to how much? Pi is get cancelled. So r1 upon r2. So we can say that 3 square upon 2 square into h1 upon h2. So directly we can say that h1 upon h2 is equal to 4 by 9, right? 4 by 9 is the right answer. 4 by 9 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Got it? A part is the right answer. 4 by 9 is the right answer. Is this clear to you all, guys? Yes. So we can directly say that whenever we have to calculate the ratio for heights, right? So we can say that volume 1 divided by r1 square, right? And volume 2 divided by r2 square, right? So we know that the volume is same. So we can say that 1 divided by 9 is to 1 divided by 4. So directly we can say that 4:9 is the right answer. So directly we can say that 4 upon 9 is the right answer. Yes. Okay, moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying the ratio of two numbers is 3:4 and their LCM is 48, right? Their LCM is 48. The sum of the two numbers, we have to calculate the sum of two numbers. See, we can assume that the first number is 3x and the second number is 4x. Now tell me what is the LCM. So we will say that LCM of these two numbers would be equal to 3 into 4 into x, right? We know that the LCM is 48. So 48 is equal to 12x. So the value of x is equal to 12 4 ja 48, right? So x is equal to 4. Now the question is asking sum of the two number. What is the sum? So here the number is equal to 3x and 4x, and their sum would be equal to 7x, right? So sum would be represented by 7x. So we can say that 7 into the value of x is 4. So we can say that 28 is the right answer. So B part is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, Mulka Masiya, you are right. So everyone is requested to take part in the discussion, and please like and subscribe the channel and also share the session, right? Yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question. Next question is on your screen. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. If both the radius and height of a right circular cone is increased by 20%, its volume will be increased by. Its volume would be increased by. Tell me how much. See, we know the formula for volume is 1 upon 3 pi r square h, right? So we ignore the constant part, right? So directly we can say that the volume would be increased by how much, right? See, the radius is increased by 20%. If the radius is only increased by 20% and height is also increased by 20%, see, though we can say that 20% is equal to how much? 1 upon 5. So we can say that the volume would also be increased by 5:6 cube, right? In the form of cube, because radius and height both are increased by the same percentage. So we can say that this would become 125:216, right? So what is the difference? So the difference between this is equal to 91, right? So there is an increase in 91 unit over 125. How much percent? Into 100. By 25 this would be cancelled 5 times and this would be 4 times. 91 into 4, this would become how much? 4. 9 4 ja 36 divided by 5, right? So we can say that 5 7 ja 35 and 5 2 ja 10 and 5 8 ja 40, right? So we can say that the volume would be increased by 72.8%. Yes, D part is the right answer. Yes, D Daredevils is the right answer. D Daredevils is the right answer. Yes, D Daredevils is the right answer. Okay, so moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes. See, the question is saying, in an examination 52% student failed in Hindi, right? And 42% failed in English. If 17% failed in both, then what is the percentage of student who passed in both the subject, right? Yes, please. So directly we can say that total is 100%, right? Minus just sum of 52 plus 42%, right? And minus both fail, right? So this is the direct formula. So we can say that 100% minus how much? This is equal to 2 and 2 4, and this is 94. 94 minus 17. how much? 17. 14 minus 7, 7. 8 minus 1, so 77. So we can say that 23% is the right answer. Yes, 23% is the right answer, right? So we can use directly this formula, right? Or else we can use the Venn diagram approach, right? So in Venn diagram approach, we take the help of circle, right? So this circle is going to represent the particular data, right? So we can say that this circle is representing the student who is failed in English, right? So we are going to take another circle which is going to represent students failed in English, right? So we can say that student failed in Hindi is represented by this circle, right? And that is 52%. Okay, and student who got failed in English is represented by 42%, right? And this portion is going to represent about the fail in both, right? So how much? Both fail. So we can say that both fail is equal to 17%, right? So only fail in one subject. Only fail in one subject is given by 52% minus 17%, right? So we can say that 52 minus 17, how much? 12 minus 7, this is 5, and 4 minus 1, this is 35%, right? So only fail in English is given by 42% minus 17%. Again 12 minus 7, 5, and 3 minus 1, 25%, right? So we can say that both fail, both pass is equal to given by 100%. See, 100% minus who fail in at least one subject means 35% plus 17% plus 25%. So we can say that 100% minus 77%. So this is equal to 23%. 23% is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Could you tell me what is the formula for xq minus yq? See, we must know the formula of xq minus yq. xq minus yq is equal to x minus y bracket x square plus y square plus xy, right? So by using this formula, we can say that just putting the value of formula in denominator, x square plus y square plus xy divided by, just opening this formula, x minus y bracket x square plus y square plus xy, right? So the second part of the denominator get cancelled by the numerator. So the value must be equal to 1 upon x minus y. See, what is the value for x? 19. So we can say that 19 minus, what is the value for y? 18, right? So we can say that 1 upon 1 is the 1. If we know the formula, there is no use of using pen and paper. Without pen and paper, we can say that this is equal to how much? 1 upon x minus y, and x minus y is how much? 19 minus 18, 1. So 1 divided by 1 is always equal to 1, right? So if we know the formula, we can put the formula directly, and directly we can say that 1 is the right answer just by observing the question, right? So here we need to observe the question, right? No need to use pen or paper, direct observation, we can give the answer, right? So the answer is 1. A part is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Three numbers A, B and C are in the ratio 1:2:3. Their average is 600. If A is increased by 10%, if A is increased by 10%, B is decreased by 20%. To get the average increase C, if C is increased by 5%, C will be increased by how much? Yes, one of the good question. So here we can use the weighted average method, right? So we can say that the ratio of A, B, C is 1:2:3. So we can say that the A part is 1/6, right? And how much it is increased? It is increased by 10%, right? What is the portion of B? B is 2/6, right? So we can say that it is decreased by 20%, so taking minus 20%, right? And what is the portion of C? 3/6, right? Let this is increased by X%. So we are assuming here, right? So directly we can say that overall impact of the increase is equal to 5%, right? So here we can calculate the value for X. So taking LCM is 6. So here we will get 10%. Here we will get minus 40%. Here we will get 3x%, right? So this is equal to 5%. So taking 6 to the right side, we will get here minus 30% plus 3x% is equal to 30%, right? So we can say that 3x% is equal to 60, right? Minus 30 will go right hand side, will become positive, right? So x% is equal to how much? 20%. So we can say that the C part got increased by 20%. Now we have to calculate what is the value for C. We know that the average of these three numbers are 600. So we can say that the ratio of, we know the ratio of 1:2:3. So how much is the sum? How much is the sum for 3? So we can say that the sum is equal to 6 units, right? So what is the average? So the average is equal to, just divided by 3. So this is equal to 2 unit. So we can say that 2 unit is equal to how much? See, 2 unit is equal to how much? 600. So how much time? This is 300 time. So we can say that the value for C is equal to 3 into 600. This is equal to 1800, right? So this is equal to 1800. Got it? This is equal to 1800. Yes. Is this okay? So this is yes. By 3, 2 unit, and see this is 200 time, not 600 time. See this is, sorry, 300 time, right? So 3 unit is equal to into 300. So this is equal to 900, right? So the value for C is 900 and C got increased by 20%. So how much increase? 20% of 900, right? So this is equal to how much? This is equal to 180. So we can say D part is the right answer. This is one of the good question, right? One of the very good question. So answer is 180, not 160. 180 is the right answer. 180, 180 is the right answer. Yes, 180 is the right answer. Moving to next question. Moving to next question, please tell me what is the answer for this question. A money lender finds that due to a fall in annual rate of interest from 8% to 7.3%, his yearly income diminishes by how much? 61.50, his capital. So what we need to do? The decrease in income is 61.50 divided by the difference. See, in 1 year, what will be the impact? So normally we are getting 8%. Now the interest is how much? 7.3%. It means it is equal to 7 into 4, 28 plus 3. So this is 31/4%, right? And multiplied by 100%. Because we have to calculate the capital is equal to 100%. Simply we can do this. So 61.50 percentage got cancelled by percentage, right? Taking common, percentage got cancelled by percentage. 8 4 ja 32. So 32 minus 31 divided by 4 into 100, right? 4 will go up So we can say that 61.50 into 4 divided by 1 into 100, right? So we can say that 6150 multiplying by 100 into 4. So this is the answer, right? So 0 5 into 4. So this is 20 carried to 6 24. So 24,600 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes. C Chennai Express is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Okay. See, when the rate was 8%, so we were getting 8% in a year. Now the rate is 7 whole 3 upon 4%. So we are getting how much? 7 whole 3 upon 4% over 100. So what will be the decrease? So decrease will be represented by the difference between the percentage. So we can say that 61.50 is equal to how much? Is equal to 8% minus 31 upon 4. So we can say that this is equal to 1 upon 4%, right? After solving this, we will get 24,600 is the capital. So C part is the right answer. Moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes. What is the answer for this question? See, question is saying a cricketer has a certain average of runs for 8 innings, right? In the ninth innings, he scores 100 runs, thereby increasing his average by 9, right? His new average of the run. Now we have to calculate the new average. See, we can directly say that in last inning, he scored 100, right? So whatever would be left after giving benefit to the other innings, right? So it will be equal to the new average. So this inning particularly gave lead of 9 runs to each and every inning, right? So for one inning there is an increase of 9. How many innings are there who get benefit? Sorry, which get benefit? It is 8. So 8 innings got benefit. Over one inning there is an increase of 9 runs. Over 8 innings there will be an increase of 72, right? Is this clear? So we can say that 72 runs were transferred. 72 runs were transferred to the other innings. So how much is left with the last inning? So it is 28, right? So we can say that 28 is the new average. So we can say that 28 is the right answer. Got the point? 28 is the right answer. See, I'm just recapping or explaining it again. In ninth inning, the score was 100 run, right? So in ninth inning, there was a score of 100, and due to this, every inning got increased by 9 runs. So average is increased by 9 runs. It means the remaining innings got benefit, or each innings got benefit of 9 runs, right? So for one inning, there is a benefit of 9, right? So 8 innings got 72 runs, right? So what is left with the ninth inning? It is 28. So 28 is the new average. So we can directly calculate it. So new average is equal to 28 run, right? Yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question. The value for this. So here directly we can use the formula. We know that x cube plus y cube is equal to how much? X plus y bracket x square minus xy plus y square. Yes, is this clear? So here this is x and this is y, right? So we can say that directly we can use formula. Yes or no? Yes. So we can say that x cube. So this is equal to how much? 3.5 plus 2.5, right? So directly the answer would be 6. 6 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Okay. See, this is the square root on complete, right? Sorry, cube root on complete value. Okay, so moving to next. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. A man bought a second-hand typewriter for 1200 and spent 200 on its repair. He sold it for rupees 1680. Find his profit percent. See, what is the cost price? Cost price is always equal to buying price plus all additional cost, right? All additional cost. So we can say that cost price is equal to 1200 plus 200. So this is equal to 1400, right? How much is the sale price? Sale price is 1680. So what is the profit? So profit is represented by the selling price minus cost price. So we can say that profit is equal to 1680 minus 1400. So this is equal to how much? 280, right? 280. So what is the profit percentage? Profit percentage is given by profit upon CP into 100, and profit is equal to 280 divided by cost price. How much is the cost price? 1400, right? So multiplied by 100. 0 got cancelled, so we can say that 14 2 28. 20% is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, you are right. A part is the right answer. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the perimeter of a rhombus is 40. If the perimeter of a rhombus is 50, then we can say the side would be equal to perimeter divided by 4, right? So the side would be equal to 40 divided by 4. This is equal to 10 centimeter, right? So what is the area? So we can say that area is equal to side into height, right? Side into height, right? What is the side is 10 and height is how much? What is the height? Height is equal to 5, right? So we can say that 10 into 5. So this is equal to 50 meter square. This is equal to 50 meter square. 50 meter square is the right answer. B part is the right answer. 50 square meter is the right answer. 50 square meter is the right answer. Good evening, good evening. So 50 is the right answer. Moving to next. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. One of the good question. The sides of a triangle are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. The area of the triangles formed by joining the midpoints of the sides are. Tell me what is the answer. See, according just seeing on the data, we can see that this is a right angle triangle, right? Because 3, 4, 5 forms a triplet, right? So we can say that the side of the triangle are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeters. Just seeing on the measurement of the side, so we can say that this is a right angle triangle, right? So what is the midpoint? Here is the midpoint. So when we join the midpoint, right? When we join the midpoint, the whole triangle is going to be divided in how? Just we can say that. Just joining the midpoint, we can say that this is the part. Yes. the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoint. If we join the midpoint, right? If we join the midpoint, the whole triangle is going to be divided in 4 equal parts, right? So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can say that the area of triangle formed by joining midpoint, right, is equal to 1 upon 4 into area of triangle, right? Area of triangle. So we can say that 1 upon 4. What is the area of triangle? 1 upon 2 into base into height. So 3 into 4. By 4 is cancelled. So we can say that 3 by 2 centimeter square is the right answer. 3 by 2 centimeter square is the right answer. So C part is the right answer. C, Chennai Express, is the right answer. One of the good question. 3 by 2 is the right answer. Yes, 3 by 2 is the right answer. Okay, moving to next. Tell me what is the answer for this question. By selling an article for rupees 665, there is a loss of 5%. There is a loss of 5%. By selling an article for rupees 665. By selling an article for rupees 665, there is a loss of 5%. In order to make a profit of 12%, right? The selling price of the article must be. Yes, please. By selling an article for rupees 665, there is a loss of 5%. In order to make a profit of 12%, the selling price of the article must be. So we can say that when we are selling at loss of 5%, so 95% is the selling price, and 95% is equal to how much? 665, right? And in order to make a profit of 12%, so we have to calculate the value for 112%. So directly we can say that 665 divided by 95 into 112. Yes. So please tell me what is the answer. Yes, please. Could we calculate it? 665 divided by 95. So this would be cancelled how much time? 7 times, right? So 7 into 112, we can say that 784, right? So 784 is the right answer. 784 is the right answer. 784 is the right answer. Is this clear? Yes, guys. Tell me what is the answer for this question. So this is your homework. Try your own, right? Try on your own. See, so this is the festive offer, and this is the exclusive offer for this festive season, and this sale is going to end by the end of this evening, right? So if you want to enroll and if you want to prepare in a systematic manner, you can check it out. SSC Super Elite subscription, right? So this is called Sabhi Exam Ka All-in-One Solution. So here is the all-in-one solution for the all exam conducted by whether RRB, railways and for SSCs, right? So you can use the code FEST, right? FEST for availing this, right? So don't miss this opportunity. This sale is going to end by this evening today. Okay, so this is the app. Please download it, and you can join our Telegram channel just by this number, right? So thank you guys, thank you very much. This is all for today. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Jai Hind.